What's up guys, welcome to DC Built. Today I'm upgrading the rear lighting on my 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn with last fit LED turn signals, brake, tail, and reverse lights. Here's the D2 series kit from last fit. Packaging looks solid. Everything looks well built. All you need to get started is a trim removal tool and a T25 torque bit. First I'm going to remove the tailgate cable. Next we're going to remove the two T25 torque screws. Next we're going to remove the two push rivets. Next we're going to remove the tail light housing. It should pop straight out. Now you have access to all the lights. Next we're going to remove the wiring harness from the tail light. All you have to do is lift up on this tab and then it pops off. Next we will remove the lights. All you have to do is turn counterclockwise and you can remove them. So I went ahead and put the tail light housing in the back of my truck to keep it from getting scratched. Now I'm going to switch out the lights. Now we're going to test the lights to make sure everything's working properly. So now, seeing that everything works, we will secure the lights back into the taillight housing and then reinstall the taillight. Now I will reattach the harness. Next we will align the alignment pins on the taillight and then it should pop right back in. Now that the taillight is back in place, I'm going to reinstall the push rivets. Now I'm going to reinstall the screws. now that that is done, we will reinstall the tailgate cable and repeat the process on the other side. So there you have it. The install was really straightforward and it took about 15-20 minutes. Everything works perfectly with no hyperflash. The turn signals and brake lights are definitely brighter and have a clean look, and the reverse lights are a big improvement. You can really see the difference at night. The beam pattern looks nice and even with a good spread. Overall, really solid quality and a great upgrade. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. More installs, reviews, and drone videos coming soon.